Hey, Gibby Monkey. Be monkey, baby. Monkey, baby. Oh.
Yeah, I'm not ready for my film debut yet. Hey.
Me and Danny slide these 4 tiers on. Okay, I got it. Stack it up, we put the pegs in. Now it's time to lock the elbow in. Tomorrow, I'm gonna need your help. This cake is heavy. If this dip's over, she's just gonna sink. Shake it a little more. It's gotta go to New York City. I mean, if we're not making it here, where's it gonna go to New York? Now we got this wheel in. I got Danny twisting some fun knot, making it into a rope. Okay, we're gonna wrap that around the bottom of each ear. Because it's a nautical cake.
It's like she's trying to talk.
Snooki loves Guido. Being Italian, always like that terminology used. But down at the shore, that's what they call themselves. And when they're big and jacked up, Snooki calls them gorillas. So I get my sculptors working on some really big, jacked guys. How we doing, guys? So, very well. You ever go down the seaside and fist bump with the best of them? I don't say I have. I don't even know how to fist bump. Everybody knows how. Let me see. Come on, you can fist bump. Well, I figure if these guys are making the figures, they should know how to fist bump. What is it? Come on, you show me. Is this it?